Metal is one of the manufacturers and exporters of pipeline products in China and is capable of providing the best quality pipes, tubes, fittings, flanges, and related accessories. A flange is a disc-shaped part for connecting pipes, valves, equipment, etc. It usually has bolt holes and connects components via bolts. The main function of a flange is to provide sealing and connection to prevent leakage. During operation, it works under various pressure and temperature conditions and suits the transportation of diverse fluid media. Weld neck flanges have several advantages. They are not prone to deformation and have good sealing due to the reasonable weld transition and distance. They have wide applications, suitable for pipelines with pressure or temperature fluctuations, and high or low temperature ones. They are often used for pipes and valves with PN over 2.5 megapascals and in transporting special media. The long neck gives them high strength. For higher pressure, they have rigidity and elasticity to withstand pressure and deformation. Different standards and materials vary in performance, and scenarios and selection depends on specific needs.